Kung may isang lugar sa Tokyo na literal na parang reset button sa maingay na buhay, dito yon. Harajuku is known as Youth District. Maingay, madaming tao, nothing but the hit and trends of Tokyo. Pero sa dulong bahagi, makikita ang Meiji Jingo Shrine. Pagpasok mo pa lang sa loob nitong napakalaking wooden torii gate, instantly parang lumalayo ka sa ingay ng syudad. Ito yung kind of silence na nakakahinga ka and gives you peace of mind. Lahat ng mga puno dito ay man-made. Over 120,000 trees donated by people all over Japan and the world. Kaya ramdam mo yung energy. It's literally a forest built from collective love and hope. Bago ka pumasok sa main shrine, merong Tamizuya, the cleansing station. Simple lang ang ibig sabihin. Hugasan ng kamay, banlawan ang bibig. Pero deeper than that, it's symbolic. It means leave your stress outside and step in with a lighter heart. Sa main shrine makikita mo ang mga tao silently praying. Ikaw din mapapaisip, ano bang gusto kong i-reset? Ano bang gusto kong simulan ulit? At lahat ng yon, pwede mong i-offer dito. Ito naman ang mga Emma boards. Wooden plaques where people write their wishes. Dreams from all over the world nakasabit in one place. So, why this place really feels like a reset? Meiji Jingo gives you the quiet without feeling empty. It's spiritual without being overwhelming. It's nature in the middle of busy city. It reminds you, you're allowed to pause, you're allowed to restart, and you're allowed to breathe.